Hugot.
Ayoko biyahe. Come back to me.
Bayo, what's up? Push my boy, what's up?
And buntag.
Your best pangabay.
He's so tired. He hates mornings and it's only 6:34. But it's work cleanup day. So we're going to clean up in Panglao. Yeah, it's organized by Plastic Free Bohol, which is a really great initiative here in Bohol to stop the use of single-use plastic. So we're gonna go clean stuff up and share good vibes. Yeah. And I hope that you guys did something for World Cleanup Day as well. So maybe comment below. Or comment on my Instagram to tell me what you did for World Cleanup Day. Okay.
Alright, we're here at the cleanup. It's probably the biggest turnout I've seen.
At a cleanup.
At a cleanup.
This is great.
So shout out to
Plastic
Free Bohol. They did a good job on organizing this. Alright, so we have the ROTC group. We have the police. We got the fire department. There's a line for walk-ins. So you have to sign up for everything.
The police.
The police. So they gave us a bag after we signed up with the t-shirt. Inside the bag, they supplied us gloves, which is nice. This is like a super big event.
Yeah.
Okay, murag na wa kadungog diri dapita. Can we do that again? Good morning, maayong buntag.
Oh, hinay kayo gyapon kulang pag kaon siguro ni wa pa ka breakfast.
Alright, so this cleanup is underwater and land cleanup. So there's people scuba diving, cleaning up trash, as well as all these people.
The difference with international coastal cleanup is that they audit the trash. So once we collect it, they go through and figure out who the biggest contributors to trash are. So Coca-Cola, that's you.
So everyone was given a wristband, and depending on the color, ours is yellow, we pick up like straws and plastic. What is it? Residual waste. And then there's other people that pick up like broken bottles. So everyone's in a different group picking up different kind of trash so they can separate it at the end and make it easy for everyone. But let's get cleaning up.
Yummy, unsa ni siya?
Nag-brand audit maker mahibawan kung unsa ang mga companies or corporation nga na-contribute og daghang basura
So
sa
far kinsay problema na to?
ang kuan
Coca-Cola.
so far Coca-Cola, Nature Spring, Fry Food Company, mga junk food kanto mga Super Crunch, Lucky Me, Pansit Canton.
Hala,
Wishi po.
hala, bantay mo.
Daghang sa Wishi.
Wishi.
Oh.
Bay Caloy.
Ayos.
Nabot lagi kag Bohol.
Oo, kumupod.
Wa pa rin maayo na imong kamot.
Hapit na.
Asa man imong si Zowie?
Nadia.
Shout out to possibly Ananyana Resort for putting bins at the front of their beach. Haven't seen that in most places, so it's a nice effort.
Sige, humana kami dito sa cleanup. Bye. Pila ka kilos? Or pila ka tawang na ni Apil?
2,651 participants.
2,651
Yeah.
participants.
From different
Record, no?
Yeah.
So that's a
Breaking the
record
record.
here in Bohol. So that's just short of 3,000. That's insane. So salamat sa mga niapil, tigtabang sa beach cleanup. Dakan kayong success. Di ko sure kung pila ka kilo ang gikuha. But karon muato kami sa pavilion. Maminaw mi sa mga speakers. And yeah, that's the plan.
I don't get it. 2,651 people came together to clean up the trash, and then volunteers dropped their tags. Just because half of it's paper doesn't mean the other half isn't plastic. Paper is still trash.
Ayaw patakag labay sa imong basura kay makasira sa atong mga
Kalibutan, yan. Shout out, unsay store ni mo? Unsa ni siya?
This is the Boholana Essentials. My small steps to save seas. Plastic free.
Sa Panglao ni siya?
Dili, Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran.
Yeah.
Sige, so support local.
Yes.
Kuha ni sa iya.
Follow my page. The Boholana Essentials for plastic free. Head to toe bath essentials. Ayos, salamat.
Alright, so we're done with the awareness talk. We're gonna put some stuff in the car and then go join plastic-free Bohol, some lunch. Some highlights. The Philippines contributes to 47 tons
Of trash
a day in the ocean. Philippines is the third or fourth.
No, the third largest contributor to plastic pollution in the ocean in the world. So
Yes.
it's China, Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand.
Okay, it's a good memory.
Thank you. Some of the biggest contributors to the trash in the Philippines, well, in Bohol in 2018, Nestle, Coca-Cola, Nature Spring Water. However, the underwater team only collected 2 bags of trash this year compared to 12 last year. So,
And there's more people this year.
yeah,
This
and
means there's less trash.
a little, you know, the little help that you're doing is part of a bigger picture, so it's working.
What was the hashtag? 3 a day?
Yeah,
Take
take
three.
3 for the sea. So, yeah, take 3 pieces of trash a day that you find, and in the end, if we all do that, that's how many? 7 billion people in the world?
So
Pretty
let's
big
get it. All right, we're gonna get some lunch and then go explore Bohol a little more. Ta-da. All right, so quick update because last time we were clear back at the beach cleanup, but we're here in the Bukid. We stopped by real quick the Tarsiers because it's been a couple years since we went there.
And they're so cute.
You're so cute. I bought a new lens so we can get a little closer up view. I'll show you right here. And now we're at Kamugao or something like that, something Falls. Later we're gonna go to Double J Hotel because they're gonna throw a little barbecue for us. We're gonna join the Ahern family of the Ahern Family vlog. You can check them out. Yeah, we're gonna hike to that bad boy.
Seems kind of far away.
It does seem far. So, baklita.
What's up, Besh Mga Bai? It's your boy Bagahoy. Welcome back to another vlog.
Alright, we're back here at Brian's house. This is an English vlog again. I'm sorry that this is super awkward that I'm speaking English. Alright, so yeah, we're at their humble abode here in, we're not gonna mention where because it's secret. But yeah, super sick. We're gonna head to Double J Hostel, aka Double J Hotel. Gonna get some barbecue.
BBQ.
Last time I was at his place in Ubay, he was learning Bisaya, so we got to test him and see how well he's improved in 7 months.
You know, daily. I do it on the daily.
Yep. Alright, bye. Kumusta imong Bisaya?
Okay ra.
Okay ra? Ayo.
Mayo.
Maayo gyud?
Mayo.
Sige. Katawa imong asawa? Buwang jud. Buwang siya? Sige.
Abnormal ka.
Zowie.
Hello.
So he actually has a whiteboard with sentences in Bisaya so he can learn every week. So let's see if Zoe can translate these words. Let's come up. Come here.
Wait, it's not Zoe, it's Zotron.
Zotron. All right.
Save the Aspens.
Save the Aspens, not Ascalas. Asona.
Change it, guys.
All right, Ma'am Joey.
Alright.
Where are you going? All right. Here we go. First one. Diha ko gahapon. What does that mean?
Diha there. I'll be there this afternoon.
Gahapon.
This morning?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
All right. What is this? Now Brian's turn. What does this mean? Lawom kaayo ang dagat.
It's really deep.
What is? Oh.
Water's really deep.
Dang. All right. Pagamping diha.
Take care. Look, be careful here.
Yes.
There.
What?
There. Diha.
There. Diha.
Close.
Yeah, you're on.
Na si Bagahoy. Na si Brian Buang.
There is Brian.
Dang, these guys are good.
Oh.
Ayaw ko biyae. Biyae? Biyae? Hugot.
Ayoko biyae. What's going on? Oh, Fred's here, dude.
Yeah. All right. Wait, what does that last one mean?
I didn't be out it.
Do you know what biya is?
No,
I don't.
I didn't be out.
Don't leave me. Kikilig ka dai?
Baby, come back to me.
Hey. Sige guys.
Meet our friend, Sir Freddy Krueger.
It's your boy.
Where are they? Wait, hold on. Surprise.
That was
Vlogger niya sila.
a little premature there.
There's a special moment for them. Yo.
Okay na, guwapo yapon.
Wapo yapon. What's up, bro?
Dang. This guy's straight from.
Oh my
casino.
God, there's a dog.
What's up?
Hello. Okay.
It's okay?
Yo, mga unsa with Caloy, aka Bisayang, Hilaw. Brian and
Mom Joey.
Mom Joda.
Oh, Joey.
Awkward.
And also Zowie.
This is Sir Fred and Ma'am Sheila. Sige, kaon na may o barbecue. Yeah! Okay, sige. When you need some Red Bull, you just drink it all. And then you get up. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's get up. It's time to get up. Let's go.
Thank you, that's a double J.
Oh, no. Do it?
Yeah! Go! Alright, now sayaw. Okay. Alright, Bogohoy, what the heck is going down right now?
Kaon na ta.
Kaon na
Si
ta.
Pusanggala.
Yeah, let's eat. Meow, meow, meow.
Alright. Yeah, so they prepared a nice, very nice boodle session for us, aka boodle fight.
Onya nagsayaw na me.
Mag-showdown me.
Showdown bodots onya. So kaon na ta and busog kayo.
Gutom na, gutom.
Grabe, hyper na siya sa Red Bull. Red Bull! Red Bull pa more!
Let's go!
Red Bull pa more! Makabuang gayang Red Bull! Yeah, budot si Inday. Alright, so we finish here. Yeah, buddy. Busog na kami. Busog na bay.
Busog jud.
Busog jud. Ayos.
So kayo.
Alright, so we had a good time, you know,
Awesome.
dancing some nice budots. Okay, not really budots, but
It was awesome
Little bit of
meeting
dancing.
si Zotron.
yeah, Zotron.
Salamat,
Their first
Zotron.
time meeting. Yeah, buddy. Pound it.
Zotron and
Boom,
Voltron.
panis. So they told us about Mobile Legends, so maybe we might try that out. Stay
I
tuned.
like it.
Yeah, Zoe's freaking good gamer, so.
I'm addicted to gaming. Immersive Candy Crush.
Immersed.
Space.
Drowning in candies.
Alright, so end the vlog.
Okay.
What's salamat? Sa pagtanaw in English, it's to say that in English, it's English vlog.
No.
Alright, go Bisaya.
Salamat sa pagtanaw og amping mo tanan. Oh, sorry. That's closer than I
Don't
thought.
break my camera.
See you tomorrow.